A few days back, a news story surfaced on the internet about a game called Soul Clash. It's a mobile app created by the Chinese game studio Lilith Games. Blizzard Entertainment recently filed a lawsuit against Lilith for copyright infringement, and while that suit is currently limited to Taiwan, Blizzard reserves the right to push their litigation further into mainland China. After reading through the various articles, I thought it'd be fun to throw together a short slideshow to illustrate just how legitimate Blizzard's grievances against Soul Clash really are. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some cheap-ass royalty-free tunes while I compare Soul Clash to the Warcraft franchise.